In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack workspace. Deleting a workspace is an irreversible action, so it's important to make sure this is exactly what you want to do. We'll go step by step through the process to ensure there are no misunderstandings. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Slack website. Little steps can make big differences in understanding procedures like these, so let's make sure we've got all the details right. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Slack's URL. Once there, you'll need to log in. Slack conveniently allows you to log in using different methods, so you can choose to enter your credentials via email, Google, or Apple accounts, depending on what's linked to your workspace. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, you'll need to select the specific workspace you want to delete. This is important. Make absolutely sure you're on the right workspace, because once deleted, all messages and files within it will be permanently gone, and recovering them will not be possible. Pay attention to the workspace name, and give yourself a moment to double-check this step. After selecting your desired workspace, look for the down arrow next to the workspace name at the top of your screen. Clicking this brings up a menu with several options. From here, navigate to Tools and Settings. This drop-down is where you'll access most administrative tasks related to your workspace. Within these settings, you'll find the option labeled Workspace Settings. Now, within Workspace Settings, you'll see a section called Settings and Permissions. This is where you'll find a small but vital link that reads Delete Workspace. This is the first major step towards permanently removing your workspace, and it will lead you to a confirmation screen. Continuing on, you'll want to click on Delete Workspace. This action will bring you to a new page entitled Confirm Deletion. It is here where Slack will ask for your password to make sure it's really you making this decision. You'll also need to acknowledge, by checking a box, that you understand all messages and files will be deleted permanently. It's crucial to read through any prompts carefully to fully comprehend the permanency of your actions. Finally, once all information has been reviewed and you're sure of your decision, click on Yes, Delete My Workspace. This is the last click required, meaning your Slack workspace will no longer exist. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide on deleting a Slack workspace. Remember, these actions cannot be undone, so be absolutely sure before proceeding. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you out, consider subscribing for more helpful guides.